IELTS writing. And because of these mistakes, I've seen students have to take tests again and again. If they are a bit careful, they would not have to take test again and again. Just in first attempt, they'll be able to clear their test. Mistake number one in IELTS writing is, I'm talking about task 2. They do not understand the question. In fact, they don't read the question properly. They just skim the question and start writing, which means they don't plan the answer. And when they have written their answer, what they've done is the answer is irrelevant because they did not understand the question. They do not know what is to be answered. They are just answering what they know or what they think is right, but they have not paid attention to the question. To avoid this mistake, it is very important, first of all, check the question, underline the keywords, plan the answer, think of the answer, then only start writing. Your planning is excellent. You will see that you'll be able to complete your answer before time and you will have enough time to proofread your answer, which is very important. Second is, don't rely on templates because templates attract you. They make things easy for you. You know, but what you are doing, you are clearly telling your examiner that this is not my own work. I have copied it. And maybe you are using that template for the first time, but examiner is not reading it for the first time. Examiner is already familiar with it, which means you will not get good score if you will go for templated response. It should always be original. It should be your content. It should be from your own knowledge and ideas. And the next thing is using informal language, using contractions, idioms, proverbs, colloquial phrases. No, 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 they're not at all allowed. We should not use them because IELTS writing is a test of formal English. Formal English means complex and precise words, complete sentences. You don't have to use English that is used in everyday life, day to day life. First of all, we should not use idioms. No, we should not use proverbs. We should not go for colloquial phrases. Colloquial phrases are the phrases which we use in day to day life. And of course, we should not go for contractions like can't, won't. You have to write complete words, cannot, will not. This will make a huge difference. I'm telling it. If you follow all these steps,